The reason I joined the T2 Fitness is it was a personal goal of mine to lower my A1C and honestly to just drop some weight and get a little bit more physically fit. I found the program through the Isle of Wight Community Services and signed up. I was really apprehensive, but my goal was not to be the thick chick on the beach of a 5-girl trip in Puerto Rico, of which the other 4 women never have challenges with what they eat. And I have always been challenged with what I eat. So I'm down 16 pounds. My A1C is lower than where I started. I was super excited to find that out today. This 12-week course has changed the way that I look at everything, the way that I eat. I learned better cooking techniques. I learned to hold myself accountable. I made friends here. I've had a blast. Mona, the instructor, is amazing. I wanted to be here every night to complete this program with this women, and I did it. So I would encourage everybody to sign up for this program. Those of you that need help with your type 2 diabetes, please know that this program is available. And I hope that it continues to be available in these rural areas where we may not have all the services that the big cities have.